All right, we got here a 2012 Jeep uh, Wrangler Sport. It's a four-door. We got here a oil cooler problem. This is common on these type of cars with this type of oil cooler. This oil cooler assembly, it leaks oil in between the engine, and it comes out through the back over there. Um, the reason why it leaks is because obviously Chrysler designed it, and it's a bad design. It always leaks on these Jeep uh, Wranglers, Cherokees, anything with this V6 engine, it will leak. So we got here the old one, and as you can see, it's leaking from here and this side too. So this is the whole oil cooler. This the old one. Um, the customer also complained that the filter never fits exactly right in place. This is his. This is the first one he changed, and I'm changing the second one now because this one. Well, I don't know. He said he took it to a shop, and the shop replaced it for him. So I don't know where they got it from. So this is the one I'm doing is the second time on the life of this car. The car only has 130,000 miles, and in order to perform this job, you gotta remove the whole intake manifold. This is the intake manifold, and then the lower intake manifold, which is this one. This is where the injectors goes and everything. So, um, like I say, this got to be done on this car, and the amount of time and money is a lot. So basically, you got to know how to do this job if you want to play with this, because this is not something that is easy to do. It takes time, patience, and you really got to know what you're doing, because if not, you're going to create a bigger damage. You're going to end up mixing the coolant with the oil and the oil with the coolant, so that can create a big problems down the road. So here is a little bit wanted to show you, how to do this. What you gotta do in order to do this. This is, like I say, considered a big job. If you don't have the skill, if you don't have the tools, I will mess with it, like I say, because you're gonna create a bigger problem. So here is the video, man. Hopefully you like it. Subscribe and share if you can. Thanks a lot.